Access to global knowledge and experts. Online. Learning breaks down geographical barriers, allowing you to learn from top instructors and professionals worldwide, often for free. Platforms like VictoryWithAsh provide high-quality training and insights without charging a cent, giving you access to expert-level knowledge regardless of your location or budget. Flexibility and self-paced learning. You can learn anytime, anywhere. Whether you're working full-time, managing family responsibilities, or building a side hustle, online platforms let you move at your own pace, so growth never has to wait. Rapid skill development for evolving job markets. Industries are transforming fast due to AI, automation, and digital innovation. With free resources like VictoryWithAsh, you can quickly learn in-demand skills like personal development, financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and mindset mastery before you even invest in paid programs. Cost-effective, often free education. Unlike traditional education, many online platforms deliver world-class content at zero cost. VictoryWithAsh stands out as a completely free platform where you can learn before you earn, gaining the highest value training information without any financial risk. Builds a lifelong learning mindset. Success today isn't just about one degree, it's about continuous growth. Free, accessible platforms encourage you to keep learning, adapting, and leveling up throughout your life and career. Personalized and practical learning. Many free platforms focus on real-world application. VictoryWithAsh, for example, offers actionable strategies in mindset, productivity, and success principles designed to create immediate impact in your life. Develops digital fluency and discipline. Just by engaging with online content, you build essential 21st century skills, navigating digital tools, managing your time, and staying self-motivated, traits every employer and entrepreneur values. Learn before you leap. Platforms like VictoryWithAsh embody the learn before you earn philosophy. Master foundational principles, avoid costly mistakes, and build confidence, all before spending money on advanced training or business ventures. In short, online learning, especially through generous, free platforms like VictoryWithAsh, democratizes success. It empowers anyone, anywhere, to gain the knowledge, mindset, and skills needed to thrive in today's world without ever paying a dollar. So if you're serious about success, start learning today. Your future self will thank you. So get ready to be part of this success.